In this video, I'm going to be showing you the differences between the addition of hydrogen bromide to an alkene and the addition of hydrogen bromide in the presence of peroxide. So, the addition of hydrogen bromide follows what we call Markovnikov rule, which is that the hydrogen is going to add to the less substituted side, while the bromine will add to the more substituted side, which is this carbon. Okay, it has more things attached, while the hydrogen will add to the other side, which is this side that has less things attached. And when that happens, the product you have would simply be this with the bromine attached to the more substituted side, and the hydrogen is now on the other side. Okay, but remember, this is a line structure, so the hydrogen is not shown. Now, the addition of hydrogen bromide in the presence of peroxide, the bromine will add to the less substituted side this time, okay, which is there, and the hydrogen will add to the more substituted side this time. So you simply have this product where the bromine attaches to the less substituted side, and that's what we call the anti-Markovnikov product. And that's simply the differences between the addition of hydrogen bromide and hydrogen bromide in the presence of peroxides. Thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day. Bye.